Given that x equals to minus 5 and y equals 1/4, evaluate x minus y over x plus y. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So we have x minus y over x plus y. So let me substitute the value. So x is minus 5 minus 1/4 over x plus 5. So minus 5 plus 1/4. All right. So for the numerator, all right, and how I always think is plus and minus in terms of money, correct? So plus means you getting money, minus means you giving away money. So in the numerator, you give away $5, you give away another $1/4, so you give away total is 5 and 1/4. All right. In the denominator, you give away $5, but you get back a quarter. All right. So eventually you have given away minus 4 and 3/4. All right. So let's go ahead with the next step. So we have two mixed numbers, all right, dividing each other. So the next step would be to convert each mixed number into an improper fraction. All right, so 5 and 1/4 will be negative 21/4. All right, and divide. Okay, again I'm doing this systematically, so you can see step by step. So negative 19/4. Okay, so negative 21/4 divided by negative 19/4. All right, and division by a fraction is the multiplication of the reciprocal. So this would be negative 21/4. Again, I'm continuing here. Okay, multiply by negative 4/19. Okay, so we know that negative times negative would be positive. All right, so negative and negative would be positive. All right, and now we have 21/4 multiplied by 4/19. All right, so we can simplify and say that the 4 and 4 we can cancel, so 1 and 1. So what we basically have is 21/19, and to express it as a mixed number, it will be 1 and 2/19. So that is your final answer here. Thank you.